Today we will learn the second method to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. The second method is the algebraic method. Now in algebraic method also there are three type of methods. So the first one is the substitution. Okay. So substitution method. It means that in this method we have to substitute the values of x and y. Okay. So we have taken two equations because we have to take the pair. So the first equation says that x plus y is equals to 36 and x minus y is equals to 6. Now we will solve them. So we will take this equation first. Okay. So x plus y is equals to 36. Okay. So now x is equals to 36 minus y. Why minus y? Because here y was in positive, so here it will become negative. So now we have got the value of x, that is 36 minus y. Now we will substitute the value of x in second equation. So x minus y is equals to 6. The value of x which we got was 36 minus y. So 36 minus y and here minus y is equals to 6. Okay. Then 36 minus 2y, because minus and minus 2 times 6 there, so minus 2y is equals to 6. Now 6 will come this side and 2y will go that side. So 36 minus 6. Here it was in positive, here it will become in negative. And then 2y was in negative, it will become positive. So 36 minus 6 is equals to 30. And here 2 was in multiplication, so here it will come division is equals to y. So 2 1s are and then 2 15s are 30. So the value of y which we got is 15. 15 is the correct value of y. Now we will put the value of y in any of the equation. So let's see in first equation only. X plus y is equals to 36. X plus 15 is equals to 36. Now x is equals to 36 minus y. 36 minus 15. Here it was in positive, here negative. So x is equals to 21. Now this is the correct value of x. Now if we want to check that the values which we found are correct or not, we can substitute them in any of the equation. So let's put them in x minus y equals to 6. So x value what we have got? 21. Okay. Then minus, then what value of y we have got? It is 15. So 21 minus 15 is equals to 6. It means that we have found the correct values of x and y. Now we will do with the second method. Now the elimination method. So in elimination method we can understand this by an example. So we have got a pair. First equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. Then the second equation is 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. अब हमें इसमें जो हमारे वेरिएबल्स दिए हैं उन्हें उनके कोफिशिएंट्स को हमें इक्वल करना है. नाउ या तो हम y के कोफिशिएंट्स को इक्वल करें और या तो हम x के कोफिशिएंट्स को इक्वल करेंगे. सो हम x के कोफिशिएंट्स को इक्वल करते हैं. अब इक्वल कैसे करेंगे? जो 3 means this first equation is there, we will multiply this first equation by 2, or we can do this equation which we have got, the second equation, we will multiply this whole equation by 3. So now let's do it. So now the first equation, so 2, then 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. Now we will multiply. So 2 3s are 6 and then x. So 6x plus 2 into 4y, 8y is equals to 2 10s are 20. Now this equation is we have got third equation. Okay. Now we will equate, means we will do with this only with the second equation. So 3, then 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. 3 to 6, then x. 2x into is equals to 6x. Then minus 3 2s are 6, then 6y is equals to 6. Now this we have got the fourth equation. Okay. So now we will subtract the third equation from the fourth equation. So we will get 6x minus 6y is equals to 6. Then here in minus 6x plus 8y is equals to 20. Now we will subtract. Okay. So 6 minus 20 is equals to minus 40. Then minus 6y minus 8y. Now see, here it is the minus symbol. It is implied for this whole equation. So minus plus minus. So minus 6y minus 8y. We will get minus 14y. Okay. Then 6 minus 6 is equals to 6x minus 6x is equals to 0. Now y will remain here only and this both will cancel. So 14 upon 14 gives us 1. So we have got the value of y 1. Okay. Then we will put this value in any of the equation to find the value of x. Now we will put the value of y. So y value what we got was 1. Okay. So now we will put this value in any of the equation. Now let's put in the first equation. So 3x minus 4y is equals to 10. Okay. So 3x, the value of y what we got is 1 is equals to 10. Okay. So 3x, then this was 1. So minus 4 only is equals to 10. Oh sorry, this was plus. Okay. 3x plus 4 is equals to 10. So 3x will remain here and then 10 minus 4. Okay. Then x is equals to 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. So 6 upon 3. The value of x what we got is 2. So we have got the value of x also and the value of y also. Now if we want to check, we can put them in either of the equation and we will get the answer. So next method is the cross multiplication method. Okay, so in this we have to, means it comes in your mind that we have to cross multiply something. Okay, so here we have to do cross multiplication in the first equation, that is the 2x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0, and then the second equation, that is 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. Now we will hide this term. Okay, we will hide the term of x and then we will multiply the coefficients of y and then the constant term. So coefficient of y is 1. Okay, because there is no coefficient, so 1 is the coefficient. So first here we will write x, then upon, now y is in positive and then this is negative, minus 8 is negative, so minus 8. Okay, then 2 is the next coefficient of y and then the next coefficient is minus 5. Okay, so first we will put one minus sign because this only we have to do. Then in the bracket we will write minus 10. Okay, so in the bracket we will write minus 10. Then is equals to. Okay. Now next one is y. So first we will write y here. Now we will hide the terms of y. Okay. So when we will hide the terms of y, then what we will see here, 2x is, so in 2x, 2 is the coefficient of x and then the constant term is minus 8. Okay. So 2 8s are 16. So minus 16 because minus was there. Then again minus. Then the next term, the next coefficient is 3 and then 15. Okay. So 3 into minus 5 is equals to minus 15. Then equals to. Now we will hide the coefficient term. Okay. First we will write here 1. Okay. So first 1 we will put. Okay. Now we will hide this. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4. Then again one minus sign. Then 3 1s are 3. When we will solve this, we will get x upon minus 8 plus 10 is equals to y upon minus 16 plus 15 is equals to 1 upon 1. So what we got? X upon minus 8 plus 10. Now what we saw that this was equal to y upon minus 16 plus 15, and then y upon minus 16 plus 15 was equal to 1 upon 1. So this is also equal to 1 upon 1. Now we will solve. X is equals to minus 8 plus 10. So we will get 2 over here and here 1 upon 1. So x is equals to 2. Why 2? Because when this will go here, it will become 2. Now value of x we have got. Now we will put in any of the equation and we will get the value of y also. So 2, in first equation we are putting 2 plus 1y minus 5 is equals to 0. So 2 2s are 4 plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. So 4 minus y is equals to minus 1 plus y. Then y will remain here and 1 will go that side. So we have got the value of y also and then the x also. Now if we want to check, we can put them in any of the equation and we will get the answer.